Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. Today, whoa, what's going on here? I'm just going to leave that in. Alright, today I'm making a toucan brew, which is extract, because I'm not above doing extract. It's called SMOTY, which stands for shortest month of the year, but first, I need to bleach my fermenter. This is the first brew since my fermenter had that infected porter in it. So, ventilation, always a good idea when you're using bleach. All the stuff that touched that yucky stuff is going in there. And I'm using, there was all sorts of different advice for how much to use. I think I settled on a cup of bleach going into like 30 litres of water here. So that's the lid. Everything's good. So I think I let that soak for 2 hours, roughly. And then I am rinsing like a very rinsy person. And, here's the test. Okay, so that's my bleach water. That's normal water out of the tap. And when I say bleach water, yep, same. Okay, good. So I seem to have... Oh, yes, and speaking of tap, this tap apparently is going to be no good anymore. So I'll just say goodbye to it, like Greg Norman there. Goodbye, tap. I'll see you on the other side. All right. SMOTY Ale. Did I say it stands for shortest month of the year? You're supposed to brew this one in February for June or July or whatever, for winter. Anyway, it's got East Kent Goldings and 2 cans of extract, which is why you call it a toucan. And by extract, I mean like a kit where it's pre-hopped and etc. So, instructions say bring 2 litres to the boil. So that's what I'm doing here. There it is boiling. So now I need 25 grams of these East Kent Goldings. They're going to go in for, I think, 15 minutes. Making sure I got it right. 15 minutes, is that right? Yep, 15 minutes. They will boil for. 15 minutes passes, and then I think that... Okay, so it comes off the heat. Another 25 grams goes in, and that just sits there with the lid on, and I reckon that's half an hour. So, in the next half an hour, I'll get these guys ready. I take the lids off, take the yeast out, pull the labels off. There's the instructions. I don't need the instructions. And into the hot water. This is hot water. It's going to make it a little bit easier to pour. So some time has passed there. Get the old can opener out, and this guy's going into the fermenter. Let's take that out. So in you go. There we go. Very good. And this is number 2 going in. And then the next trick after this is fill it with hot water. And I used to leave the lid on it for a while. Now I just sort of scrape it and it works well enough. And then transfer it, and you see that I'm holding it in a tea towel. That's because it gets incredibly hot. Don't touch the can with the hot water. Yeah. Oh, looks like I didn't get all of it this time. But anyway, stirring it around. Looks like it's getting a bit darker outside, so time must be marching on there. Now I'm going to strain the liquid here into the fermenter. So that's done. And just jiggle out the last little bits. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Give it another stir. Lots of oxygen going in there. And filling it up to, I think it was 23 litres for this recipe. What do we got there? I can't read it, but I'm pretty sure it's 23, but I'll put the recipe down in the comments. There's the yeast. This is just the kit yeast, so nothing particularly special there. But they're both going in. 1, 2. And oops, I tipped yeast all over my spoon. That was a bit silly. Oh well, whatever. I'm a professional, damn it. Lid goes on. That looks like done. Are we done? We're done. We're done. Alright, so shortest month of the year. Oh, I almost forgot. Another 25 grams gets dry hopped into this one. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Bye.